Hello students, Ms. Slyman here with our next set of Unit 1 Section 1 notes. And this one is looking at, it says linear absolute inequality, but this is actually just a linear inequality. Sorry about that. So this is a linear inequality. We're saying that this expression on the left side has to be less than 8. We want to know the values of k that make this true. So if we just sort of think about this, first of all, thinking about the solution is always a great way to estimate your answers. If k is 1, I'd have 9 minus 2, which is 7. So that works when k is 1. If k was 2, 9 minus 4 would work because, of course, that's 5. So it looks like we've got a whole bunch of numbers. And we first started with, let's start 0, 1, 2, 3. So we picked 1 and 1 was true, that worked. If we pick 0 though, 0 does not work. And 2 worked. Of course 1.5 would also work. So it's looking like any number that's bigger than 1 for sure is going to work. But where is the cutoff point here? That's what I want to know. So if I solve this equation, the quickest way to do it and the least likely to make mistakes is to move the 2k to the right because it's negative and move the 8 to the left. So 9 minus 8 is 1. Move the 2k to the right, and we have 1 is less than 2k. And now if I divide everything by 2, a half is less than k. This is the same as saying that k has to be greater than a half. And of course, if k is equal to a half, I would get exactly 8 on the left side, but 8 is not less than 8. That's not a true value. So if we come here at a half is also not a true value. I use an open circle, but everything to the right of a half will make this inequality true. So here's my solution graphically. Let me draw a nicer version of that. We have 0. I'm going to leave a lot of space between my 1 and 2 because then I can easily see a half. So a half is not a solution, but everything to the right of a half is a solution. And we can indicate it this way. Make sure you've gotten a clear arrow showing that you're including everything, every number that's greater than a half as a solution to this inequality.